My name is Ivy Sharing Kong Yanzi. My number matrix is 07DUB22F1020.
My name is Nur Shamila and my matrix number is 07DUB22F1008.
My name is Joshua Ismailius, matrix number 07DUB22F1017.
This is the taking off list for ship pile. There is 10 taking off list, which is preambles, note, as-built drawing, item, bringing in and removing from site, item, refer to SMM2, E.4.1a, maintaining on site, item, E.4.1b, total area of piles, meter cube, E.5.5a, total driven area, meter cube, E.5.5b, extra over for corner, meter, E.5.5c, cutting interlocking piles to remove tops, meter, E.5.8e, cutting piles to form holes, number, E.5.9d, and last, piling record, item. This is the taking off 1 to 4, which is preambles, as-built drawing, bringing in and removing from site, and maintaining on site. Total area of sheet pile exceeding 12 meter, the unit is meter cube. The length is 12.7 plus 12.7 plus 6 equals to 31.4. I get 12.7 from here and 6 from here, and the height is 17 meter. I get from here. So 31.4 times 17, the answer is 533.8. The quantity is 534. Total area of sheet pile exceeding 12 meter, the unit is meter cube. The length is 6 meter, I get from here, and the height is 22 meter, I get from here. So the answer is 132. Total driven area of sheet pile, the unit is meter cube. The length is 31.4, is the same length as taking off page 5. The height is 6 meter. So the answer is 188.4. The quantity is 189. Total driven area of sheet pile, the unit is meter cube. The length is 22,000 minus 1,800. These two lengths I get from here and here. So the answer is 20,200. The height is 6 meter. 6 meter times 20.2 meter equals to 121.2. The quantity is 121. Extra over for corner, the unit is meter. The length is 17 meter. I get from here. So 17 meter times 2 equals to 34. So the quantity is 34. Extra over for corner, the unit is meter. The length is 22. So 22 times 2 equals to 44. So the quantity is 44. Horizontal length of cutting interlocking piles to remove tops, the unit is meter. To get the girth, 12.7 plus 6 plus 12.7 plus 6 again. So I can get the answer 37.4 meter. So the quantity is 37. Cutting piles to form holes, the unit is number. The formula is 6,000 over 1,000 plus 1 equals to 7 nose. So the quantity is 7. This is the piling records for the interlocking sheet pile. This is the bills of quantities of interlocking sheet piles. All you need is just to transfer what you have written in the slip sort and just transfer it to the bills of quantities, and then you're done. Sheet piling is used in construction primarily for excavation support and retaining walls. It's especially used in areas with limited space. When traditional slope earth retention isn't feasible, the interlocking sheets create a barrier that supports soil or water pressures, preventing collapse. I've learned how to measure quantities for piling works, cold and hot water supply, sanitary plumbing, sanitary fittings, builders works in connection services, BWICS, and also domestic electrical supply. The problem that I have encountered is inaccurate measurement. I'll be more careful when measuring.
Next is the sanitary plumbing. The taking of list for soil waste and vent pipe, excavation trench meter, lead in trench meter, sand filling compacted to trench excavation meter cube, 100 mm diameter soil pipe ground floor meter, 100 mm diameter waste pipe fixed soffit first floor meter, 100 mm diameter chest in brick wall meter, 50 mm diameter fixed to brick wall meter, 50 mm diameter freestanding for wash basin meter, 50 mm diameter vent pipe meter, 50 mm diameter fixed to soffit for floor trap meter, extra over for 100 mm T number, extra over for 100 times 20 mm reducer T number, extra over for 82 times 20 mm reducer T number, extra over for 100 mm elbow number, extra over for 50 mm elbow number, extra over for 82 times 20 mm reducer elbow number, extra over for WC connector number, extra over for 100 times 50 mm reducer socket number, gully trap number, balloon grating number, testing item. This taking off is measured in scale of 1 to 200 in the paper of size A3. So the first one is soil and waste pipe for underground shall be UPVC conforming to BS 4660. Description is excavation trench for 100 mm diameter pipe from ground level, average 450 mm depth. Unit in meter. So the length I got is 2800 plus 3600 plus 5200 plus 3600 plus 1800 equals to 20 meter. So the total quantity is 20. The next one is sand filling compacted to trench excavation, unit in meter cube. So the length, we use the previous length times width 100 and times depth 450. So the quantity is 0.9. So we take as 1. The third one, soil and waste pipe for underground shall be UPVC conforming to BS 4660. Description is 100 mm waste pipe laid in trench. Unit in meter. The length we use the previous one, 20 meter. Next one is UPVC to BS 4514. 100 mm diameter soil pipe ground floor, unit in meter. The length 2406 plus 600 equals to 3 meter. So the quantity is 3. Next one is UPVC to BS 4514. Description 100 mm diameter waste pipe fixed to soffit first floor, unit in meter. The length I got is 3100 plus 800 plus 3000 plus 800. So the total is 7.7 and the quantity is 8. So the next one is UPVC to BS4514. Description: 100 mm diameter, chase in brick wall. Unit in meter. The length is 3200, so it's 3.2 meter. So quantity is 4. The next one is 50 mm diameter, fixed to brick wall. Unit in meter. The length is 6000 plus 300 plus 150. Total is 6.45 meter times 2 because there are 2 pipes used. So the total is 12.9. The quantity is 13. Next one is 50 mm diameter, freestanding for wash basin. Unit in meter. Length is 800 times 3, so it's 2400. It's count as 2.4 meter, so the quantity is 3. Next one is 50 mm diameter vent pipe. Unit in meter. Length is 450 times 2 equals to 0.9 meter, so the quantity is 1. Next is 50 mm diameter, fixed to soffit for flow trap. Unit in meter. The length I got is 600 times 7 equals to 4.2 meter. So the quantity is 5. Next one is UPVC to BS4514 pipe. Extra over for 100 mm T. Unit in number. There are 2 quantity in the drawing. Next, extra over for 100 mm times 20 mm reducer T. Unit in number. There are 8 quantity. Next is extra over for 82 mm times 20 mm reducer T. Unit in number. There are 4. Last but not least, everything from the taking off, we have to transfer to the bill of quantities and we are done. Sanitary plumbing in building works refers to the system of pipes, fittings, fixtures, and other devices installed within buildings to convey and manage wastewater and sewage. This system is crucial for maintaining hygiene, preventing contamination, and ensuring the efficient removal of waste from residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. So, I have learned how to measure quantities for piling works, cold and hot water supply, sanitary plumbing, sanitary fittings, builders works in connection services, BWICS, and also domestic electrical supply.
This is taking off list for BWICS, which is vanitary countertop unit number. Description for vanitary countertop, which is based on the drawing. This is the drawing given. The description details for vanitary countertop is vibrate reinforced in situ concrete, grade C25P to receive wash basin. Also include the necessary formwork and reinforcement, and surface with tile, bed and joint in cement and sand. And last description, put as shown in drawing DCQ 40204 BWICS tutorial 1. The unit is numbers and the quantity is 2 because in the drawing vanitary countertop is 2. BWICS is a building works in sanitary fittings such as mass concrete tools, vanitary countertops, and others. I have learned about how to measure quantity of BWICS for vanitary countertop.